welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer, and today we are going to be making some more of these cute market bags. So I only have two colors that I have right now, and I think I'm going to start with this one first. So this one is going to be, let's see if I can find the name of the color here. This is Buttercream. So this is going to be a buttercream colored market bag. So I'm going to start with these. And the pattern calls for 3 bundles, like three of these, but it doesn't account for like the solid handle. So in the pattern, the handle is the same color as the bag, but I wanted to have like a contrast color. So I'm assuming this is all I'll need, but I bought an extra one just in case, because you never know. So I'm gonna get started on this bag, and then as I'm making it, I'll I'll give you updates and whatever. So that's what I'll be working on this week, and then hopefully if I get this bag done, I will be able to make the other one. So all right, well, I'm gonna get started on making this bag, and I hope it turns out just as cute as the brown one. So all right, let's get started. And this is what we have so far. Look how pretty this color is. This will make a really cute bag color, I think. So this is what the, what's it called? It's called Buttercream. This is what the Buttercream looks like in the mesh. And I'm glad I got 3 because I have this much left in this little skein. So I might end up using all 3 skeins, so we'll see. The pattern calls for 53 rows. And right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rows. So, and you know, I've been working on this for a good, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. So hopefully I will get a better idea on how many skeins I'll need to finish the mesh. I will check back with you once this is all gone, and then we'll kind of figure out, okay, how many skeins does it actually make. So all right, I'm gonna keep going and I'll check back with you later. Okay, it's the next day and I haven't been able to work on it since I finished this first skein, but I wanted to kind of check in with you to show you how many rows I got. And this was 1 skein, so including the foundation chain we have 18 rows. And if I do my math, if 1 skein does 18 rows, then I need 3 to get to 54 rows. So I need 53 rows. And luckily I bought an extra one. So I will be using both of these to finish the mesh. Thank goodness I bought an extra, otherwise I wouldn't have been able to finish the bag. So note to self, all right, if you end up getting, these skeins are, let me see what the weights are. These ones are so small, they either come in this tiny skein or the big cones. There's really no in between, as far as I know. Let me know if I'm wrong. So this is a 2 ounce, it has 95 yards. So 95 yards for these smaller skeins. So you're gonna need 3 colored skeins and a 4th one for the handle. And if you want to use the same color, just grab 2 more. So in total, you're gonna need 4 of these small skeins. So that's good to know. That way I can order the correct amount in the future. So this was all that was left after round 18, including the foundation chain. So if I'm not including the foundation chain, it takes 17 rows to complete a skein. So again, I'm giving myself a little bit more to like work with. So I'm going to continue on making the bag, and I will come back when I have finished the mesh, and then once the mesh is done, then we will start on the handles. So far, I'm really loving this color. Let me know in the comments if you like this color. It's really pretty. It's very pastel-y color. So I will check back with you later. Okay, so it's been another day or so. I would have finished it sooner, but you know, things pop up, life happens. So I did finish the bag, and I want your opinion. I want to see who likes the color scheme. I'm unsure, so this is what it looks like. I love the bottom. It is so cute. And I didn't realize when I bought this that the yellow is kind of more of a gold color, especially when you've got the yellow handles. So let me know in the comments below if you guys like this color combination. I love the buttercream color. Still unsure about the color of the straps, so maybe next time I'll find something that's more of a pastel-y color to do the straps with, or what I could also do is make the entire market bag in this color scheme of the buttercream. So that's another option, but I wanted to try this. I love the yellow. I think it's really cute. I'm just not quite sure if I like the combo, so yeah, let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and start on the other market bag. And for those of you who are new and missed my unboxing, let's see. Okay, so here's the other colors. It's kind of a corally color. So this one is called Coral Seas Ombre, and I loved the colors. It's got like it's like a aqua and salmon and kind of a light blue color scheme. I think that'd be really cute. I did want to mention that 3 skeins was barely enough to finish this mesh. So maybe in the future, I might end up getting 4 color skeins, possibly 5, if I decide to do it all one color. And then 1's enough for the handle, so I know that's enough. But 4 skeins might be better than 3. We'll see how this one turns out. It might just be that I just got a batch that was a little bit short than some. I don't know. But other than that, I think it turned out really cute. And you can hardly tell like where I kind of ran out of yarn. You can't really tell, so which is good. But like I made it work. So I made it work. And I think it turned out really cute, and I want to know your comments down below. So I'm going to go ahead and start this Coral Seas Ombre color, and the handles are going to be teal. So I grabbed a teal. I think the teal will go really cute. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on this market bag, and then I'll check back with you later. Okay, just checking in on my progress. And I love this color combo. This is so cute. I think I like it even better than the sherbet one. Or no, not sherbet, buttercream. That's this one. Yeah, I'm really liking the colors here. This gives me a beach vibe, you know? So this is 1 skein, and I have 2 more that I need to add on to it. Hopefully it'll be enough. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep going, keep working on it, and we'll check back with you later. It's been a couple days, but I was able to finish this bag. So I'm gonna show you how it turned out. What do you guys think? I'm actually really loving this color. And I think the teal straps really tie it together. I don't know, I think it's so pretty. So compared to the buttercream, which one do you guys like better? I think I like this one just a little bit better. But maybe because I'm a little disappointed with the yellow. Although I do find the yellow works. If it was more of a gold color, it might have been a little bit better. But I find that the teal really ties in the spots of teal like within the pattern. So I really enjoyed making this bag, and I'm happy it turned out so cute. So let me know in the comments below which one you liked better. This is the Coral Ombre or the Buttercream. Let me know down below. I'm still trying to figure out like where to hang these, or maybe just like fold them up nicely and put them somewhere. I've just been like adding to the collection here. I've got 3 market bags here, so I am noticing though that the Lily Sugars and Cream yarn is a little more stiff than the other yarn, the Walmart brand. Oh my gosh, Peaches and Cream, that's what it's called. So the Peaches and Cream is a little bit more flexible versus the Lily Sugars and Cream. It's got a little more rigidity to it, so it's not as likely to stretch, although there is obvious stretch to it. It's gonna stretch, like the stitch welcomes a little bit of stretch. So this is perfect for markets, perfect for groceries, perfect for the beach. This is a great beach bag. If I lived close to a beach, I would take it with me. Let me know in the comments below what other colors you'd like to see. So far I have the coral, I've got the buttercream, and then I've got this is the chocolate milk. I would love to do more colors. As far as my next project goes, I might dive into my box and figure out what to do next. I have yet to get the yarn for this one. I still gotta buy yarn to do this one. So I might wait to start making these bags. I have a lot of people mention navy, so I might see if I can find a good navy color yarn to go with this one. And if I can't, then my next best option might be something else. But we'll find out. Hopefully I'll find a good navy color that will tie it all together. So I might end up just focusing on the other skein. So I've got this color, and then I have this color. So I might do this next. This is so cute. It's, what's it called? Wisteria. Wisteria. So it's got the little daisy pattern. And maybe next time we will start making some of these bags. So I'm slowly getting a good chunk of inventory up. I am still finalizing-ish website stuff. It's been very kind of freeing to not have my Etsy open. I think mainly because I never make sales. I never make sales during the year, and the only time I ever do is like between Halloween and Christmas. So honestly, I might just have my shop open during that time of the year and then keep it closed for the rest of the year, just so it saves me on fees and listing fees and all that kind of thing. So it'll save me a little bit of money, and that way I can really prep for Christmas. At the moment, I'm trying to get enough inventory in my arsenal to put on my future website. So I haven't started on that yet. More news on that soon. A couple of things I gotta stoke in the fire first before I start my building my website. And then once I have that built, I'll keep you guys updated. If you haven't joined my newsletter yet, it's free. Click the link down below. So anyway, I'm really excited to make a bunch of cute little bags out of this pattern, and I know I've gotten a lot of great feedback from my other bags, so if you want more, let me know in the comments, and I am more than willing to find colors that you guys like. So I'm just basically picking the colors that I like, but I'm kind of in that springy, that springy, flowery, bright feeling, like, colors. So that's why I picked these ones. So you got the beachy, the springy, and then the everyday. So anyway, so that's probably what I'm going to do next. So if you want to see that video, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. And I'd love to hear your comments down below. I know this video was kind of short this week. It's been a busy couple of weeks. Lots of family stuff going on, and it's just been a busy month, between between Easter and family visiting, and we've had a lot of like doctor's appointments, dental appointments. I still gotta make eye appointments because I've been slacking. But we've been just having a, it's just been busy. It's just been busy around here. So, all right, well, I'm gonna end this video here. I'm sorry it's short this week, but I'm hoping next time we'll do a fun dive into making these cute bags. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.